My name is Damar Saeful Hakim. My name 19.2A.13. My class is 19.2A.13. I will be present computer and hardware. First, computer. Computer. A computer is a tool used to process data according to pre-programmed commands. The word computer was originally used to describe people whose job is to carry out arithmetic calculation which are without thought. But the meaning of this word was later transferred to the machine itself. Initially, information processing was almost exclusively related to arithmetic problems, but modern computers are used for many tasks unrelated to mathematics. System computer. A computer system consists of hardware and software. Hardware and software must work together to form a system, namely a computer system. Computer history. The first generation began when computers were used in academies and the military, such as the Atanasov Berry computer created in 1937 to solve system of linear equations, and the Colossus computer to crack Nazi German secret codes. Then ENIAC was built in 1960, became the first computer for general purpose. When his computer was turned on the first time, Philadelphia experienced a blackout. The first generation of computers used vacuum tubes to store data, and their size took up one room. So the second generation. The second generation began when transistor replaced vacuum tube. Unified was introduced to the public for commercial use. Then in 1913, IBM started its computer business by releasing the IBM 650 and IBM 700. Various programming languages began to be developed, and computers began to have memory and operating system. Next, conclusion of the computer. In conclusion, computers have revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. From their humble beginning as room-sized machine to sleek and powerful device we use today, computers have become an indispensable part of daily life. They have transformed industry, accelerated scientific advance, and connected people across the globe. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of technology, the role of computer will only grow in importance, shaping the future of humanity. And next, hardware. The definition hardware. The definition of hardware is all type of components on computer device that have a physical form, can be seen, touched, and felt. The main function of hardware is to provide support for the computer. Main functions such as input, processing, output, secondary storage, and communication. Function hardware. 1. Accept input. 2. Provide output. 3. Applies to information data. 4. Processing information and data. Hardware example. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board, the house, the CPU, central processing unit, and other processing component. The motherboard functions as a central hub for all processing components. The CPU can be CPU. The CPU can be said to be the brain of the computer. The CPU has the function of processing and executing user command given through software program. CPU speed determines the computer efficiency in processing command. RAM, random access memory, is a temporary data storage device. RAM has the function of temporarily storing data can be directly accessed by software program. Temporary data in RAM will be lost when the computer turns off. Hard drive. Hard drive is a permanent data storage device. Data stored on a hard drive, also known as a hard disk, will not be lost when the computer is turned off. Hard drives are used to store operating system, media, and application. Uh, Example input device. Keyboard. A keyboard is a hardware device full of keys that represents letter, numbers, character, and certain function. A different from a keyboard which only contains a few white and black keys that represent certain notes. Sometimes the keyboard is also equipped with a trackpad to move the cursor. Mouse. A mouse is a hardware device that is easy to hold, generally containing two buttons and a ball or laser underneath to move the cursor. The function of the mouse is to move the cursor, scroll, left click, and right click. Cursor movement in the default state always from the direction of mouse movement. Webcam. A webcam is a hardware in the form of a small camera which is usually placed on top of the monitor or LCD. The function of the webcam is to make video calls and can even be used to take selfies in front of the computer. Almost every laptop currently available has a webcam. Microphone. A microphone is a hardware device that can convert analog sound into digital sound. The function of the microphone is to record sound. This tool is usually used during converse on when making video call. And last example, output device. Projector. Projector is a device that produces output in the form of graphic display, image, and videos. Its function is more or less the same as a monitor screen, but the difference is how it works. Printer. Printer is a hardware device that can print digital objects into physical form. This digital object can be in the form of writing or graphics. The printer can produce black and white or color print if it has been filled with the appropriate cartridge. In order to operate, the printer must be connected to computer and a power source. Uh, Conclusion for hardware. Hardware is the physical part of computer including the CPU, RAM, motherboard, and other hardware that makes up a computer system. Hardware plays a crucial role in determining a computer performance and capabilities. And advances in hardware technology continue to expand the boundaries of computing capability. Thus, an understanding of hardware is essential for anyone interested in designing, building, or using computer. Thank you for my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.